This is me, Wes, and I'm about to fulfill a lifetime dream. Since I was a little kid, I would drive down the highway and I would see these things up here. I'd say, those look like drums. I wonder what they would sound like if you hit them. Well, today, I'm gonna go hit one. Now, I'm not gonna hit those. I was driving down the road and I see one right there. Let's go see what it sounds like. Let's describe it. It's made out of metal. Looks like it's built like a snare drum almost. It's got a nice metal side and it's got the springs to hold the top on. The top is sort of a canvas, it feels like. So let's see what it sounds like. It sounds exactly how I've always imagined it would sound. So in case you want to know what these actually are, I've wanted to know for 38 years and I finally found out. That's actually just a satellite dish. And then it has what appears to be a weather cover on it. The weather cover comes off. I guess that's so birds and things don't get in it, but I'm gonna stick you inside, see what it sounds like. Well, there you go. That is too cool. I wonder what the lightning bolt means. They all have the lightning bolt, and everyone I've ever seen for my entire life has had the lightning bolt. There's Rachel checking it out. All right, well, there you go.